What did you get?
My Chicken Poo house.
Why'd you get that?
Because I need to open my guards.
What is that?
My things was up there. But where's that thing that goes in there?
What thing that goes in there?
I know. That Joey.
The Joey?
Yeah. The Joey.
I don't know if they have that. But what is that big green thing?
Tree with that goes a little box with the shrub. Do you see that?
Yeah. Is that from Pee Pee and Poo Poo in the potty?
Yes, that is.
Yeah.
So,
You've wanted that for a long time, huh?
yeah. And they have a telescope.
Yeah.
That's the need of Joey.
I don't know if they have the Joey in there. I don't see him on the picture. Congratulations, Karma. You did it. You won your game.